Are you tired of your desk looking like a spider's web of tangled cables and a mountain of bulky power bricks just to keep your gear alive? What if I told you that this one single compact box could replace your MacBook charger, your phone brick, your tablet plug, and still have power left over for your camera, all at the same time? This is the Cabletime 140 watt GaN desk charger. And today we're going to find out if it actually lives up to the hype. Now, full disclosure, Cabletime did reach out and sent this unit to me at Photechvideo for my honest review. No money has changed hands and they're not seeing this video before I make it public. These are my own unfiltered thoughts on whether this is the ultimate desktop power solution or just another plastic brick. These are my 100% honest thoughts after putting this little charger through its paces over the last few days. They've also been kind enough to give me a 20% off discount code, which you can see here on the screen. I'll also post it in the description section down below with a link to their website. And you can use it at the checkout on their web if you decide that you'd like to grab one of these little chargers for yourself at a very special price. 140 watts does sound a lot, and yes it is. This uses GaN, or Gallium Nitride technology. Traditional chargers use silicon, but GaN is more efficient, stays cooler, and allows this massive power to fit in a much smaller footprint. But the secret sauce here is PD3.1, or Power Delivery 3.1. Most chargers that you see top out at 100 watts. PD3.1 allows this to hit 140 watts, which is the magic number required to fast charge a 16-inch MacBook Pro or high-end gaming laptops at full speed. You've got 3 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. But here's what you need to know. The charger has a power budget. If you plug in just one laptop in either USB-C 1 or USB-C 2 port, you get the full 140 watts. If you plug in 2 laptops at the same time, it splits that into 2 65-watt outputs. When you fill all 4 ports with 2 laptops and 2 phones, it balances the load so that everything stays powered without overheating. It's smart charging. It talks to your devices to see exactly what they need. But here's the part that most people miss. Your charger is only as good as your cable. If you use a standard phone cable with a 140 watt charger, you'll be lucky to get about 60 watts of power from the charger. To get the full 140 watt power, you must use an EPR, or Extended Power Range cable. Here I have a USB 4 version 2.0 cable, which is rated for 240 watts. It's overkill for this 140 watt charger, which is exactly what you want for safety and for maximum speed. So what are my actual thoughts on this Cabletime 140 watt GaN desktop charger? Well, I can tell you, I'm going to be taking this absolutely everywhere I go. When I go to the office, when I travel, it's always going to be with me. It's going to make my life so much easier. And my desktop is going to look so much more tidy. It's extremely compact, and as you can see, it just fits into that desktop stand, which you don't need to use if you don't want to. The AC adapter goes in the back, and you just run it down the back of your desk and out of sight. So for me, the positive points of the Cabletime 140 watt GaN desktop charger are, first of all, the build quality, which seems to be extremely good. The 4 different USB outputs, 3 USB-C and 1 USB-A, and of course the high power output, giving 140 watts total, allowing me to charge things like my laptop, my camera, my tablet, my smartphone, or my smartwatch, all at the same time. So, do I recommend it? Yes, absolutely. It certainly is a big difference between all of these power bricks, which I have here, and with the Cabletime desktop charger, I can charge them all using this one unit. And there isn't a great deal of difference in the size between these two, for example. And until now, the only negative thing I can say about it, if that is negative, it's a little bit heavy. I will weigh this unit before editing this video, and I'll put the weight up here on the screen. And don't forget, if you are interested in getting your hands on one of these Cabletime 140 watt GaN desktop chargers, check out the description section down below, because there I have a 20% off discount code which can be applied at the checkout on the Cabletime official website. Just head over to the Cabletime website. You'll see the link here on the screen and also in the description section down below. Search for the 140 watt GaN desktop charger and add it to your shopping cart. You may see that Cabletime has a promotion with free gifts depending on the total amount of your order. Now this is very important. Cabletime has told me that our exclusive coupon is not compatible with the free gift configuration in the shopping cart of their website. Please make sure that you select "No thanks, I don't want a free gift" for each of the free gifts which may appear in your shopping cart. If you don't do this, when you add the Photechvideo discount code, it will charge you for the free gifts. But here's the good part. Cabletime has told me that although you eliminate the free gifts in your shopping cart, they will still include them in your package. Then click on Checkout and enter the discount code Photechvideo 20% and click on Apply. And you will see that the 20% discount has been applied. So thank you Cabletime for making it cheaper for Photechvideo viewers to get their hands on this excellent 140 watt GaN desktop charger. If you're tired of carrying around 4 separate chargers for your gear, this desktop setup is a complete game changer. It's powerful, smart, and stays on your desk rather than falling out of your wall socket. Thanks to Cabletime for sending it over for review, and also for sending this USB 4 version 2 cable, which really does make a difference. If you found this video useful or interesting, please like and share, and subscribe to my channel for more photography and tech related content. If you already use a GaN multi-USB charger, or if you're still using your old type of chargers, please let us know in the comment section. Please leave your comments and questions in the comments section down below. I'll be very happy to answer any questions that you may have, and to hear feedback about the different types of chargers which you use and how you find they work for you. You'll find affiliate links to gear used in the making of this video in the description section down below. If you do purchase something through one of my affiliate links, price to you will be the same, and I will receive a small commission which will help me to continue creating content for you here on my channel. So until the next time, this is Andy at Photechvideo signing off. Take care and be safe, and see you in these next videos.